bleach cleaning outside vinyl siding on all mobile homes. Wet it down thoroughly, let it set for about 15 minutes and rinse well. These are the items you will need for the job. It is so easy to bleach your vinyl and just wash it with water hose or with your sprayer. You can do the complete side of a mobile home, bleaching and washing it thoroughly in about 30 minutes. Take 1 gallon of bleach and mix 1 gallon of water. That will work well. Thanks folks for clicking on Craftsman Explorer video. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.